Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Excuse my voice. Allergies got a hold of me, so please excuse my voice here. But we're craving some barbecue, but the Texas weather here is not going to let us do that. A lot of states and around the world are not allowing that right now, so we're going to go ahead and do some in the oven. I have some baby back ribs. We're going to do some pork baby back ribs. But meanwhile, go ahead and get your oven preheated to 325 if you'd like to make some of these up. And they're really good, really good. We're going to have some salad and some salt potatoes and some corn on the cob with them. But here I have 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. And we're just going to try to get a little bit of smoky flavor in here. Not a whole lot, because this could be an overkill. Put too much of it on there, just a little bit. Rub that all in there. And on top of this, I got maybe a tablespoon of oil of your choice. I don't know if you can hear me, I'm getting far away from the mic. This is a tablespoon of oil of your choice. And just rub that over that rib. A couple teaspoons to a tablespoon. Get it all over that rib. This is what's going to help your seasoning stick to this. They're nothing fancy, just some good old barbecue ribs right in our oven. Okay. And go ahead and get that silver skin on the back of your rib removed, okay? Just pull that silver skin right off the back. And let me turn this and get a little bit of oil on the other side. Okay, got the other side oiled. Now here I have a sheet pan with a rack on it, but you can by all means just set it on some foil in a big sheet pan, half sheet pan, whatever works for you. Okay. Now here I made up some rub. You can by all means use your own rub, whatever you have for ribs. But in here, I have my little bowl here. I have 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1¼ teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and then 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And on the bottom of this pan here, I have maybe a ½ cup of water that just helps with the moisture. Okay. And we're just going to get this all over these ribs. Get every little area. Just kind of guide it down the sides there. When you want barbecue, you know, gotta just go for the oven. But I'll continue this on both sides. And we don't want to rub it, we just want to pat it on there, okay? Okay, I have them all patted down with the rub, as you can see here. They look like they've been cooked, don't they? But we're going to go ahead and put these in the oven for about 2 hours. And then we'll wrap them up in some foil so they can continue to get more tender, and then we'll slather them with some yummy barbecue sauce. But these are going in the oven. Alrighty, those been in the oven now for boy, my allergies. They've been in the oven now for a couple of hours, and you can see there they got that nice crust on it from them spices and stuff. Now what I have here is some foil I have them setting on, and I'm going to wrap these up and put a little bit of water in there just for some moisture. Now if you're going to cook these just like on your regular baking sheet and you don't have the rack to set it on, don't worry about putting any liquid in there, because you don't want these setting in the water. So because they're going to moisten up here in the foil with some water as well. So but if you have the rack to cook them on, by all means put a little bit of water. helps them stay moist. So you want to wrap this up really good. Put it right back on that cookie sheet or your rack. Hope you guys can see this. I'm just basically wrapping it up nice and tight. I'll get it all wrapped up, put it back on my baking rack there, and I'll get a little bit of water in there, and we'll get it in the oven for probably another hour and a half to 2 hours. It just depends on how tender you want that rib. Okay, so I'll let you know how much longer I cooked mine. Then we'll get the barbecue sauce on it. All right, back in the oven goes, wrapped up really well with some foil. All right, guys, I just took these out of the oven. They cooked 2 hours wrapped up, getting nice and tender. Now next we're going to slather some sauce on them. Now use your choice of sauce, your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm using mine. I made up, and I'll leave that in the description area if you'd like to try this and put it on yours, or use your favorite sauce, whichever you like. And I have 3.5 pounds of ribs here. I don't know if I brought that up to y'all earlier, how many pounds I was using. So this is 3.5 pounds. So what we're going to do is slather this sauce on here. Get it all over those ribs. And what we're going to do is stick this back in the oven. We're not going to cover it, because you want this to get nice and sticky. Get all the way around it. Now you can do this once, you can do this twice. I like to do it twice, putting sauce on it, that way it gets nice and sticky. Get it all over it. Okay, and I'm going to do this in the oven for maybe 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to pull it out, and I'm going to repeat it again with some more sauce. Okay? I just don't have good lighting. See there, guys, they look good. And they really are delicious. But let me go ahead and get these in the oven, and we'll be back. Okay, guys, there's the ribs. I did a second slather of some sauce. Left them in there 15 minutes more. So you can also turn your broiler on to kind of speed it up some. But just wanted to show you how nice they look and delicious. And we'll get them cut up. All right. And do let them rest at least 10 minutes before you cut them. Okay, guys, there's the finished ribs. I got them all cut up. And they are delicious. See there how pretty those came out? But I haven't tasted one yet, I promise. So I'm going to try one here with you guys. And they are so tender. Those are good. These are delicious, guys. But I hope you guys give them a try. Let me know what you think. And please like and subscribe and share. It's truly appreciated. I truly mean that. And I guess we will see you guys next week. Have a blessed evening. I got my mouth full of meat here. Oh, and I wanted to bring that up too. Congratulations, Robert. He received his cookware set. All right. We'll see you guys next week. Stay blessed. Bye-bye. Make you up some ribs.